Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, new week, Monday, May the 8th 2023. Not so good news today because we have only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, and not so good news because we have here no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle page of the Saturday edition and additional of the Saturday edition because we have some puzzles left. Here the puzzle page, the Saturday edition, we have 2 puzzles left. The 3-star Sudoku. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Saturday, yeah, and binary, yeah, Saturday edition. And I've also an additional also of the Saturday edition. 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Yeah, Saturday edition. All right. So I will do those in the evening, and so first I will solve the medium Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, yeah, I think Max Verstappen has won the Formula 1 in Miami, and here the front page, yeah, King Charles, the coronation, yeah, coronation of King Charles the III, I think, do not know. Alright, Sudoku medium number, well, this will be number 6400, yeah, 6400, yeah, 6400. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me let me drink something before I start. Alright. Let me see. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row, so the row between. Second row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the third column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 1. Alright, about the 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. Then 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright, now. Let me see. We have a 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Well. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be there. Then how about 4? Yeah, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait again. How about 9. Okay, 9. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the last row should be there. So the 2 and 5 are left, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and 5. But we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5, 5. 5, okay. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 3, 4, 1. Alright. Need a 2 here. Need a 2. 6, 6. Need a 2. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 9 here. 9 there. Okay. And now, let me think. 8. 1, 2 should be here. 5 should be here. 5, yeah. Well, 4 missing numbers in this row. Third row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have 8 and a 5 in this big square, so no 8 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. So the other pair in this row should be the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Let me mark those. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 8 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Need a 9 here. 9. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. Third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. Overlooked. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. And the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next down. The place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here on there. We see a 7 in the middle row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1. The 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2, 2. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So here we have a pair. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Alright. Then. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have an 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 here, 8 there. That means in this row, the 8 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Because in this box can be an 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. This box can be an 8 because we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. 2, 4, 6, 6, 2. So 2 missing numbers in the third column. The 8 and a 5, I believe. Yeah, we have a pair, 8 and a 5. So this is also a pair, 8 and a 5. That means that that box cannot be an 8 anymore. Oh wait, not 8 and a 5. Almost made a mistake. We already have an 8 here. So now we have an 8 here. So this box can be 8 anymore. This box should be a 5 and that box should be an 8. Okay, so this box, 1 digit left in this column. This is not 8 and a 5. This should be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Almost made a mistake. Alright. So we have a 6 here. Okay. 6. But the 4, no. 8, 5, and the other 2 should be 4, and then 9. 9. How about the 5 here? Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 missing numbers now. The 6 and the 9 are missing in this column. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. One number 6. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square volume is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square volume is the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finishing 50 minutes. Not faster, but maybe I'm talking too much in the beginning. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. No, in the evening with other puzzles in the Saturday edition. Yeah, the puzzle page and additional. So thank you for watching, and have a great and fantastic Monday. See you in the evening. Bye bye for now.